Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. The first method is a classic one, is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. Then, at the bottom of the charging case, we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. On the front side, we should see the LED light. Maybe I connect it in a bad way. Yeah, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Next, we can use a phone to charge our earbuds. Basically, we have two options how to charge it using phone. First, I will show you. The first one is to use a cable, USB-C to USB-C, and then I will show you the second one later. So, if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and the second one to the charging case. And again, we see the LED light, so it also works. Then we can use USB-A to USB-C cable, what look like this, and you can charge your earbuds from, let's say, your phone or not phone, sorry, PC, or another device with USB-A port. So connect USB-C cable to your earbuds, and then I am going to connect USB-A cable to my PC, but you can connect, as I said, to another device with USB-A port. We need to check the LED light, and we have it, so it's also charging your earbuds. Next, as I said, we have two options to charge it using a phone, and the second option is to use reverse wireless charging, but your phone should support this technology. You need to go to the settings, then to the battery, at least on stock Android. Right here I have battery share, and you need to enable this mode. Then we need to turn over the phone and put the earbuds at the back side. But we need to find a good position, yeah. And right here, as you can see, we have the LED light. But as I said, we need to find a good position for it. Yeah, this way. We can use also wireless charging station. If you have it, you need to put your earbuds to the wireless charging station, and we can see the LED light at the wireless charging station. But the most important that we see the LED light on the front side at your charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.